Presented here is a captivating polychrome reeded cashmere palette Cruet set, originating from Delft and estimated to date back to circa 1710. The set bears the mark PAK in iron red, which indicates the association with Pieter Adriaensz from Kocx, the proprietor of the Grieksche A, the Greek A factory, from 1701 to 1703, or his widow Johanna van der Heul, who owned the factory from 1703 to 1722. This remarkable piece holds a notable provenance, having been part of a collection sold at Frederik Muller & C right here in Amsterdam in 1908 and later acquired at Christie's in Laren on the 18th of October 1976. The term cruet refers to a small container with a flat bottom, narrow neck, spout handle and possibly a stopper, typically used to hold liquid condiments such as olive oil and vinegar. The name cruet is believed to have originated from the Old French word cru, meaning earthen pot, but another theory suggests that it derived from the Dutch word kruike, which is often written cruet. Cruet sets like the one presented here, consisting of a container for olive oil and vinegar, were commonly used during mealtimes. They likely emerged as a late 17th century invention when fine dining took on increased social significance, leading to notable changes in tableware. The characteristic shape of cruet sets, including the design of the present set, became prominent toward the end of the 17th century and remained popular throughout the 18th century. It is probable that the shape of these cruet sets was influenced by silver models, as was often the case with Delftware objects for the dining table. The use of oil and vinegar in meals may have been driven by health considerations. Ancient health doctrines advised against consuming fruits and vegetables, leading to some suspicion surrounding their consumption. Adding oil and vinegar to vegetables may have been believed to diminish the perceived lesser properties of the food. Additionally, the increased use of oil and vinegar could be attributed to the desire for milder flavors among the Dutch elite. These condiments offered less potent flavors compared to other spices, allowing individuals to adjust the seasoning according to their personal taste while still preserving the original flavors of the ingredients. This polychrome reeded cashmere palette cruet set exemplifies the exquisite craftsmanship and refined aesthetic of Delftware. With its delicate form and charming design, it stands as a testament to the evolving dining customs and preferences of the period. The set's historical significance, combined with its provenance and artistry, makes it a remarkable addition to any collection, providing a glimpse into the culinary tradition and tableware of the early 18th century.